right?
We're going to eat at a place called First Watch. We'll show
Double
you.
crunch breakfast tacos, really like.
Oh. Remind me to avoid those. Okay, we're in the First Watch. And ambiance.
That sounds good, but I like sweet things. The turkey sausage gravy.
It looks like ground beef, but it's actually pork. It looks like.
Yeah, mixed berry.
And here's a holiday menu.
Mexican sausage. That's all you gotta say.
I'm sorry?
Nothing. I'm overhearing the conversation.
Oh, okay. Steak and eggs hash. Seared steak, fast cooked, custard, roasted.
So you think you like it?
Dozens. I would love to try the $1 Million Bacon, but you would not eat it.
Why would I want to eat it if you're ordering?
It's under the shareables menu. It's under the shareables menu,
Oh, under
so
the
it's supposed to be
shareables.
like an appetizer. But it's glazed with brown sugar, black pepper, cayenne, and a maple syrup drizzle. Frankly, that sounds yummy. He'd hate it.
I don't know if I necessarily hate it. It wouldn't be my favorite. Hate's a strong word.
What?
I don't necessarily hate everything.
Two kinds
It
of
makes
sweets.
it sound like I hate everything.
Two kinds of sweets.
What?
And there's two kinds of sweets and cayenne pepper.
I know.
The black pepper's fine.
I'm not a big fan of sweet foods. Anyway, later. Oh, it's a Lily? I thought it was Audrey.
No, it's Tony. She's.
Okay, there's my breakfast.
Tell me her.
I got a purple haze. It's not alcoholic.
Shaky. Her lips.
There's Grammy's breakfast.
And the
Or Mrs.
teacher who
Patrol,
brought her
I'm
up
sorry.
said that she had to sit down.
And there's my daughter's breakfast.
So I was like, yeah, we're coming up to get you.
And there it is. I'll let you know how it is here in a minute.
Yeah.
Probably great.
She doesn't have a fever, so.
Here's what's left of my breakfast. I didn't eat all the hash browns because I don't normally eat all the hash browns anymore because I'm fat enough. And Miss Patrol's hammering down her pancake, and so's Lindsay here. Pretty good. And so was the purple haze. Kind of creeps around your mind. Yeah, purple haze. Okay, guys, First Watch. 5 Joshua trees. That's right. First Watch. It's not the cheapest place, but it's an affordable place. Later, Mater.
We got expensive. Yeah.
Oh well, we're in the Speedy Burrito. I don't have a burrito. Since this place is called the Speedy Burrito.
Okay, turning it over. There we go. Tacos, burritos, nachos, especiales, flautas, tamales, chicken, pork, and cheese.
Okay. Anyway, we're at the Speedy Burrito. This is what it's like.
pleasure to meet you.
200s.
200?
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Come on, 200s.
Barbecue beef burrito, flautas, what used to be tacos.
Tacos gone. Yeah, about 200.
This is good food. This is
And
good.
then after it's done, it's just go. And
Oh,
doctor,
no.
yeah, that's normal.
Oh, kid, we just left the Speedy Burrito, which was outstanding.
It's very good.
Fantastic.
It was. I'm giving it 5 Joshua trees and 3 turtle points.
How about,
Agreed. That's a lot.
how about 5 boons?
Man,
Agreed.
For a
man.
restaurant in the gas station, it's pretty good.
It wasn't really a gas station place. It was. It's a fast food place. But man, they know how to cook burritos there. Wow. I'd highly recommend it. Speedy Burrito in Winder, Georgia.
Winder. They pronounce it Winder.
Winder.
It's really
Well,
hard
in
to
Utah,
remember.
it's pronounced Winder. So
Yes, you're right.
if you're in Utah, it's Winder. If it's Georgia, it's Winder.
It's all about the twang, the sort of
Or you're a Yankee.
drawl.
If you're a Yankee. I don't know if Utah people are actually Yankees. They're cowboys. They're Westerners. Anyway,
Whatever you say, Hollywood.
that's right.
Ranchers. Yeah, that's right.
And remember, the plural of y'all is y'alls.
Hey guys, welcome to my video. Today we're going to show you Lily on her birthday. It is her 10th birthday.
Hi, I'm gonna throw this lucky onion at someone. They are gonna be very lucky.
Hopefully she doesn't throw it at me.
It's my birthday today.
Yeah, this is her birthday. So it's her birthday today, guys.
Our whole kitchen is covered in flour, like the floor, everywhere.
We're going to a place called Don Jose's.
Sea Soylent entire sign in the middle of like a field.
Maybe it's a chain.
Maybe that was the original spot. And they
Maybe.
moved here.
Ooh, axe throwing. I've never been axe throwing. Well, I've never been to a place you pay to throw axes. I've thrown axes. I mean, who hasn't thrown an axe? Come on.
I bet there's a pretty good insurance requirement there, huh?
I haven't thrown an axe. I would love to
you
throw
know.
an axe throwing.
One of those things you learn, like riding a bicycle. Riding a bicycle, throwing an axe. It's all part of childhood upbringing. He waits for me, kiss her once for you. That makes sense. Anyway, here's Don Jose's. This is where we're eating. There's a couple of grumpies with us.
Yes. Okay, we can do. We have soup. Okay, I know how much you love chili soup. Noodle soup, okay? We have that. They have also
So here's the menu. I can't show you the menu because it's like 28 pages and shiny. Yeah. Needless to say, if you like it, it's in here.
Yeah, there's a lot in here. Mango, habanero, shrimp. Habanero.
And there's the drinks.
Mine came with a duck.
Yes.
A duck. And a dried orange slice for his raft.
His raft. Because you know, ducks need rafts.
You're right. I'm a hole in her sleeve.
Okay, you're
Well, we can
on.
fix that.
We might be able to. It would just be so, because I don't know how to make it.
Okay, guys. I know I shouldn't be in a restaurant, but I'm going to do chair tapping. Okay, hang on, ladies. Look. She's having tacos.
Yeah.
She's having rice and Chinese burrito. I'm having enchilada and a taco and rice and beans.
Con no salsa.
And she's having nothing. Oh, not yet. She's having nothing yet. And I'm having nothing yet. But it'll be here.
It's on its way now.
Oh my
Very
gosh. Here it comes.
Maybe it'll be
There's
good.
my enchilada and spaghetti sauce. There's my rice and beans and my taco, soft taco. And all in all, it's not bad. Not bad at all.
Make a bad food. Well, they can. It has
They can. And oh, Lindsay's got her, Marlene's got her chili relleno, and there's the quesadilla and French fries over there. Anyway, folks, we just ate at Don Jose's. I'm giving it 3.5 Joshua trees.
You're generous.
The portions were a little tiny, at least mine was.
I didn't think so.
The taco was good. The cheese enchilada had ragu over it, or Hunt's tomato sauce. It wasn't really.
Yeah, their enchilada sauce and their chili relleno sauce was kind of similar and pretty bland.
Pretty bland. They did bring a hot sauce to the table, which was fairly
Pretty hot.
spicy.
So if you melded the two,
The chips were thick and hard. They weren't delicate and hot.
and I don't think that the first batch we had were made with fresh grease.
I think they came out of a plastic bag.
Perhaps.
But anyway, I ate everything until I couldn't eat anymore. And there you go, Don Jose's in what city is this?
Grayson,
Oh,
Georgia.
we're still in Grayson?
Yes.
All right. Well, some of these towns are really close together. You can drive 5 minutes and be in another town. So, anyway, more later.